Discover the groundbreaking medication, Trelegy Ellipta, and unravel its powerful mechanism of action, wide range of applications, potential side effects, and optimal dosage. Designed to provide comprehensive treatment for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, Trelegy Ellipta offers hope and relief for millions of patients worldwide. With a unique combination of 3 active ingredients, fluticasone, furoate, umeclidinium, and vilanterol, this medication works synergistically to tackle the underlying causes of COPD and improve lung function. In this video, we delve deep into the intricate workings of Trelegy Ellipta and showcase its versatility in treating not only COPD but also asthma. By understanding the mechanism of action, you will gain insights into how this innovative medication aids in reducing inflammation, relaxing airway muscles, and enhancing bronchodilation. We also shed light on the potential side effects associated with Trelegy Ellipta, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the medication's safety profile. Additionally, we explore the optimal dosage recommendations, enabling healthcare professionals to prescribe Trelegy Ellipta with confidence. Stay informed and empowered as we unveil the remarkable benefits and considerations of Trelegy Ellipta, guiding you towards better respiratory health. Mechanism of action of Trelegy Ellipta. Trelegy Ellipta is a combination medication that contains fluticasone, furoate, umeclidinium, and vilanterol. Each of these active ingredients plays a crucial role in the medication's mechanism of action. Fluticasone furoate is a corticosteroid that helps reduce inflammation in the airways, while umeclidinium is an anticholinergic agent that relaxes the muscles around the airways, allowing for easier breathing. Vilanterol, on the other hand, is a long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist that promotes bronchodilation, further improving airflow. When these 3 components are combined in Trelegy Ellipta, they work synergistically to address the underlying causes of COPD. The corticosteroid reduces inflammation, the anticholinergic agent relaxes the airway muscles, and the long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist enhances bronchodilation. This comprehensive approach helps improve lung function, reduce symptoms, and enhance the overall quality of life for patients with COPD. Uses and indications of Trelegy Ellipta. Trelegy Ellipta is primarily indicated for the treatment of COPD in adults. It is used as a maintenance treatment to manage symptoms, improve lung function, and reduce exacerbations. COPD is a chronic respiratory condition characterized by airflow limitation, inflammation, and mucus production in the airways. Trelegy Ellipta helps address these underlying issues, providing relief and preventing further deterioration of lung function. In addition to COPD, Trelegy Ellipta has also been approved for the treatment of asthma in patients aged 18 years and older. Asthma is a chronic condition that involves inflammation and narrowing of the airways, leading to recurrent episodes of wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. By combining the corticosteroid, anticholinergic agent, and long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist, Trelegy Ellipta provides a comprehensive approach to managing asthma symptoms and improving overall lung function. Optimal dosage and administration of Trelegy Ellipta. The optimal dosage of Trelegy Ellipta may vary depending on the individual patient's condition and response to treatment. It is crucial to follow the prescribed dosage and administration instructions provided by your healthcare professional. Trelegy Ellipta is available in a convenient inhaler device that delivers the medication directly to the lungs. The recommended dose for COPD is 1 inhalation of Trelegy Ellipta once daily. It is important to use the inhaler at the same time each day to maintain consistent levels of the medication in your body. If you miss a dose, you should take it as soon as you remember, unless it is close to the time for your next scheduled dose. In that case, you should skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. For asthma treatment, the recommended dosage of Trelegy Ellipta is also 1 inhalation once daily. It is crucial to follow the prescribed dosage and not exceed the recommended daily dose. If you have any concerns or questions about the optimal dosage and administration of Trelegy Ellipta, consult your healthcare professional for guidance. Common side effects of Trelegy Ellipta. Like any medication, Trelegy Ellipta may cause side effects in some individuals. However, it is important to note that not everyone will experience these side effects, and their severity may vary from person to person. Common side effects of Trelegy Ellipta may include headache, throat irritation, oral thrush, yeast infection in the mouth, cough, and nausea. Headaches are a common side effect of Trelegy Ellipta and usually resolve on their own. If the headaches persist or become severe, it is important to consult your healthcare professional. Throat irritation and cough may occur due to the inhalation of the medication and can be minimized by rinsing your mouth with water after each use. In some cases, Trelegy Ellipta may cause oral thrush, which is a fungal infection in the mouth. To reduce the risk of developing oral thrush, it is important to rinse your mouth with water and spit it out after each use of the inhaler. If you experience persistent or severe oral thrush, contact your healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment. Nausea is another potential side effect of Trelegy Ellipta. If you experience nausea, it is advisable to take the medication with food to help minimize this side effect. If the nausea persists or becomes severe, consult your healthcare professional for further guidance. Precautions and contraindications for Trelegy Ellipta. While Trelegy Ellipta is generally safe and well tolerated, there are certain precautions and contraindications to consider. It is important to inform your healthcare professional about any existing medical conditions, allergies, or medications you are currently taking before starting Trelegy Ellipta. Trelegy Ellipta should not be used in patients with a known hypersensitivity to any of its components. It is also contraindicated in patients with a history of hypersensitivity to other anticholinergic agents or long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonists. If you have any concerns regarding your eligibility for Trelegy Ellipta, consult your healthcare professional for further evaluation. Trelegy Ellipta should be used with caution in patients with certain medical conditions, such as cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, glaucoma, and liver disease. It is important to discuss these conditions with your healthcare professional to determine if Trelegy Ellipta is the right treatment option for you. Comparing Trelegy Ellipta with other inhalers. Trelegy Ellipta offers a unique combination of 3 active ingredients, making it a comprehensive treatment option for COPD and asthma. When compared to other inhalers, Trelegy Ellipta stands out for its ability to address multiple aspects of these respiratory conditions. Traditional inhalers may only contain a single active ingredient or a combination of 2, limiting their effectiveness in managing the complex nature of COPD and asthma. Furthermore, Trelegy Ellipta's once-daily dosing regimen provides convenience and helps ensure consistent adherence to treatment. This simplicity can be particularly beneficial for patients with COPD or asthma who may already be managing other medications and treatments for their underlying conditions. It is important to consult your healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate inhaler for your specific needs. They can assess your individual condition, consider any potential drug interactions, and make an informed decision regarding the best treatment option for you. Patient experiences and testimonials with Trelegy Ellipta. Real-life experiences and testimonials from patients using Trelegy Ellipta can provide valuable insights into the medication's effectiveness and tolerability. Many individuals with COPD or asthma have reported significant improvements in their symptoms, such as reduced shortness of breath, improved exercise tolerance, and fewer exacerbations. Patients have also praised the ease of use and convenience of Trelegy Ellipta's inhaler device. The once-daily dosing regimen allows for simpler medication management, reducing the burden of multiple inhaler use throughout the day. While individual experiences may vary, patient testimonials can offer hope and inspiration to those seeking effective treatment options for their respiratory conditions. It is important to remember that each person's response to medication is unique, and consulting with your healthcare professional is crucial in determining the most suitable treatment plan for you. Frequently asked questions about Trelegy Ellipta. Can Trelegy Ellipta be used as a rescue inhaler? Trelegy Ellipta is not intended for use as a rescue inhaler. It is a maintenance treatment that should be used regularly to manage symptoms and improve lung function. If you require a rescue inhaler for acute symptoms, consult your healthcare professional for the appropriate medication. Can Trelegy Ellipta be used in children? Trelegy Ellipta is not approved for use in children. It is indicated for adults with COPD and asthma aged 18 years and older. If you have concerns about your child's respiratory health, consult a pediatrician for appropriate treatment options. Can Trelegy Ellipta be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding? The use of Trelegy Ellipta during pregnancy or breastfeeding should be discussed with your healthcare professional. They can evaluate the potential risks and benefits and provide guidance on the most appropriate treatment options for you. Can Trelegy Ellipta be used with other medications? Trelegy Ellipta may interact with certain medications, so it is important to inform your healthcare professional about all medications you are currently taking. They can assess potential drug interactions and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Conclusion and final thoughts on Trelegy Ellipta. Trelegy Ellipta is a groundbreaking medication that offers a comprehensive approach to treating COPD and asthma. With its unique combination of 3 active ingredients, fluticasone furoate, umeclidinium, and vilanterol. It addresses the underlying causes of these respiratory conditions, improving lung function and reducing symptoms. While Trelegy Ellipta has proven to be highly effective, it is important to consider individual factors and consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new medication. They can assess your specific condition, evaluate potential risks and benefits, and tailor a treatment plan that meets your needs. By understanding the mechanism of action, uses, optimal dosage, and side effects of Trelegy Ellipta, you can make informed decisions about your respiratory health. Stay informed, seek professional guidance, and take control of your well-being with Trelegy Ellipta. Thanks for watching.